In this module, we're going to walk step by step through setting up a simple, professional digital storefront, even if you've never done it before. By the end, you'll have your first product listed, your checkout live, and your business officially open for sales. Setting up your storefront doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the tools available today, you can go from nothing to live in under an hour and start collecting payments for your digital products without any tech headaches. Let's walk through the process using platforms like Gumroad, PayHip, StandStore, or System.io, each of which makes it incredibly easy to get started. Step 1. Create your free account. Choose the platform you're most comfortable with. Gumroad, PayHip, and StandStore are great for beginners. System.io is perfect if you want an all-in-one funnel builder. Create your account and log into your dashboard. Step 2. Upload your product. Grab your rebranded PLR product or digital file and upload it. If you're using the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, this is even easier. Let's go outside because your product is already done. Just drag, drop, and move on. Step 3. Name your product and write your description. Focus on results, not just what's included. Instead of self-care journal, say the 10-minute-a-day journal that helps you finally put yourself first. Use the product listing strategies we'll cover next to keep your messaging tight and persuasive. Step 4. Set your price. You don't have to overthink this. Start simple. If it's a lead magnet, make it free or low ticket. If it's a full bundle or premium offer, go with $17, $27, or $37. You can always adjust as you grow. Step 5. Upload your product visuals. Use the cover graphics or mock-ups you created in Canva. If you're using a done-for-you product from the vault, you likely already have branded images to work with. Step 6. Set up payment and delivery. Connect your Stripe or PayPal account. The platform will walk you through this. Then, make sure your digital product is automatically delivered after purchase. Most platforms do this by default. Once that's done, publish it. Your digital store is live. And if you want an even faster shortcut, we've got you covered. Our done-for-you WordPress website comes preloaded with high-converting digital products, professionally designed pages, and everything set up for you. All you need to do is add your logo and connect your Stripe or PayPal account. That's it. We've even included a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to use the site and add more products. It's easy to follow, beginner-friendly, and you can be fully up and running in less than 48 hours. It's the fastest way to launch your digital product business. And if you don't already have it, you'll find the link to grab your website below this video, along with the link to access the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault. No matter which path you choose, the key is to get your first offer live. Don't wait for perfect. Done is better than perfect, because done can be improved. In the next module, we'll talk about how to write product listings that actually convert. So when someone lands on your page, they feel confident and ready to buy. Let's keep building.